my channel, thank you for being here again, and welcome. If you are new, make sure you click the subscribe button down here, the red one, and the little bell as well next to it, so you don't miss any of my new videos. Today I'm doing an illusion makeup to celebrate summer and to dream a little bit about a perfect summer destination. I'm gonna let you watch the tutorial and I'll see you at the end. It's very hot today. Every day really. Okay guys, I'm ready to start this makeup, and the first thing I want to do is I want to moisturize my skin. And I don't have my moisturizer. Okay, now I'm going to put on primer. Okay, now I'm going to work on my eyebrows a little bit, nothing too trendy. I'm just going to fill in the areas where my hairs don't grow anymore. Don't be blind. Hello. Okay, now with a white crayon, I'm going to shape the glasses on my face. Oh, where else would I shape them, right? This is so weird. Now I'm going to use white water activated paint, and I'm going to paint the plastic here all around the glasses. Okay, now I'm going to start painting the inside of the glasses, and I'm starting with primer. And now with this palette, I'm going to put all the colors of my sunset on the glasses. Okay, now I'm going to use black eyeshadow, and I'm gonna create the horizon and the surface of the ocean. And now I'm going to add light to the water with yellow eyeshadow, although I'm not sure it's gonna work, so if it doesn't, I will use paint. And now with a yellow eyeliner, I'm going to add more light reflection on the water. And I'm going to do the same with black eyeliner, but this time to enhance the contrasts and add more shadows. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to the sky and add all the clouds. For the clouds, I'm gonna start with yellow eyeliner. Okay, now I'm going to paint the clouds with red cream paint. And now I will shade the clouds with black eyeshadow. Okay, now I'm going to draw some palm trees and islands and maybe a couple boats in the background with a black eyeliner. Okay, and now I'm going to finish the glasses by adding details on the white, and I'm starting with a pink eyeliner, and I will draw a line along the upper part. Now I will give more dimension to the white with this grey eyeshadow. Now I'm going to add a thin black line all around the sunset with my black eyeliner. And now with white eyeliner I'm going to highlight the glasses. Okay, now to finish my glasses, I'm going to use white cream paint, a flat brush, and I'm going to create the last reflection of the light on, on the glasses. Okay, now I'm going to put on my foundation. Okay, now let's contour a little bit with this beautiful palette. Now let's highlight. Alright guys, last brush strokes. I'm going to apply shadows under the glasses to render the illusion that I'm wearing real glasses. I'm going to use first this brown and then darken it with this one. Well guys, that's it. It is super hot, my makeup is melting right now, so it's gonna be a very quick outro message. Just a big thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this illusion makeup. I will see you next week with another makeup, and in the meantime, have a good one, and if you are somewhere exotic, enjoy it, have fun, and see you next week with another makeup.